Hi, my name is Svi, and today we'll present my senior capstone project. It is a peer-to-peer chat. Um, as I support multiple users in a room. As a name, it is the connection between the user is completely peer-to-peer, so it doesn't use any third party or server to store your data or your conversation information. So first we'll talk about the general architecture of the software. Suppose we have the peers who want to connect to each other. So first, they have to make a request to the turn server. The turn server is responsible for uh, responding the metadata um, network. So it can be the public port or the public IP address of this client. Then the clients will connect to a signaling server, and the senior server will be responsible for maintaining the session between the peers. Suppose we have two peers already connected to each other, so we have two orange peers here connected to each other, and then we have the new one here, the new green one here who wants to connect to the two peers. So first, it will make a connect request to a signaling server. Signaling server will broadcast a message you just joined to all the peers in the room, and the peers in the room will immediately send an offer request to the signaling server, then forward to the new peer. And the new peer will uh, receive each of the requests and respond accordingly with an answer message. And then the serial server will forward this answer message to each of the server that sent the offer. And then they already exchange the metadata information uh, after these connections, and they can basically exchange data with each other using UDP um, of the WebRTC. Hi, so now I will give you the demo of the software. As you can see, I have hosted the client on the CS server of Earlham, and I also hosted the signaling server on here. And I also use Grok as a forward from HTTP to HTTPS request, because the client need to make a HTTPS request to a server on the same machine. Um, so if I open it here, um, I see another picture of myself. So I am sitting at home now and making requests to the server at Earlham. So that's different network and it's working. So in the future, I will implement this on a mobile device, because now it does not work on iOS or Android as I have tested. And also, I still need to implement a session maintainer feature, because every time I reload, I become a different user, and that's really inconvenient to the user experience. And that's all for me. Thank you for having listened to my presentation.